Today I am reviewing the Opove M3 Pro 2 massage gun. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who works out intensely, trains as an athlete, or simply deals with chronic muscle tightness, soreness, and physical fatigue from a demanding job, then finding an effective recovery tool is absolute paramount. Today, I am diving deep into a comprehensive, long-term review of the Opove M3 Pro 2 massage gun deep tissue percussion muscle massager. This sleek, matte black handheld fascia gun is built specifically for deep tissue percussive therapy, promising faster athletic recovery, incredible power, and whisper-quiet operation. The original Opove M3 Pro was a global phenomenon, selling over 500,000 units worldwide and earning massive praise from everyday fitness enthusiasts and physical therapists alike. Now, the M3 Pro 2 takes everything people loved about the original and heavily upgrades the performance while maintaining an incredibly favorable, budget-friendly price point. On top of that, it even boasts sustainability features recognized by trusted certifications, so you can feel good about the environmental impact of the product you're using. When you first unpack the Opove M3 Pro 2, the premium presentation immediately stands out. It arrives in an exquisite, heavy-duty carrying case that holds the device and all of its specialized attachments perfectly in place. This case makes it exceptionally convenient to store neatly at home, toss into your gym bag without damaging the unit, or pack into your luggage for long travel days when your muscles get stiff from sitting on an airplane. Because the presentation is so high-end, it also makes for an absolutely phenomenal gift for friends, family, or any athlete in your life who takes their physical recovery seriously. Holding the device in your hand, you can immediately feel the professional-grade build quality. It features a true 12mm amplitude, which means the massage head extends a full 12 millimeters forward to deliver precise, deep tissue percussion that penetrates deep into the muscle belly rather than just vibrating on the surface of your skin. It backs this up with an astonishing maximum stall force of up to 70 pounds. If you have dense, tight muscle groups like your glutes, hamstrings, or quads, you can press down heavily with this device to target deep knots, and the motor will not stall or bog down. It just keeps firing away, breaking up stubborn scar tissue and lactic acid effortlessly. Now, you might look at the spec sheet and notice that the M3 Pro 2 features a 5-speed range topping out at 2,500 revolutions per minute. You might wonder why Opove did not push that number even higher like some generic brands do. Well, Opove intentionally designed this speed cap based directly on sports science and real customer feedback. High speed, chaotic percussions actually desensitize the skin over a few minutes, causing unnecessary pain and bruising while doing very little to actually relax the muscle fibers. By maintaining a highly focused, mathematically reasonable percussion rate up to 2,500 RPM, the M3 Pro 2 effectively solves your deep muscle knots while ensuring the entire treatment feels therapeutic, deeply relieving, and genuinely comfortable. Another massive upgrade on the M3 Pro 2 is the brilliant implementation of hidden cooling vents. Opove looked closely at the pain points of previous generations and competitor models where exposed vents allowed dust and sweat to enter, or worse, blew a metallic, internal mechanical smell right into the user's face during operation. The redesigned hidden vents allow the device to dissipate heat incredibly efficiently to protect the internal components, vastly extending the overall durability and lifespan of the motor, while ensuring you are never disturbed by mechanical odors during your peaceful post-workout routine. Power and design mean nothing if the battery dies constantly, but the M3 Pro 2 absolutely shines in the endurance department. It delivers a staggering 4 to 8 hours of continuous battery life on a single charge, depending on which speed setting you use. If you're using it for a quick 10 to 15-minute recovery session after your daily workouts, a single full charge can easily last you several weeks before you ever need to think about plugging it back into the wall. Ultimately, the Opove M3 Pro 2 sets a whole new standard for what an affordable, professional-grade massage gun should be. It gives you that elite 12mm depth, a monstrous 70 pounds of stall force, intelligent heat dissipation, an ultra-long battery life, and whisper quiet operation that will not drown out the television or disrupt your household. It is a highly effective, scientifically optimized tool that accelerates muscle recovery, melts away stress, and helps you perform at your absolute best. If you want a dependable recovery partner that offers commercial-grade power without the commercial-grade price tag, the Opove M3 Pro 2 is an absolute home run.